Alright, let's go to your cage. Go to your cage. Good girl. See you later. Bye, Raymond.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Today is Saturday. Yesterday was our 4th year anniversary. Spent all day together, dropped off the girls at the babysitter. We didn't have a plan, so we just went with whatever. Ended up going shopping, and then we went to dinner. We got some ice cream. We were really tired afterwards. I know we're getting old. I loved it. It was great. You know, people say like, hey, marriage is hard, and it is hard if you make it hard, but it's not hard if you don't make it hard. We are gonna go meet up Luz. We gotta give her photos for the website, and that's it. That's about it, I think. Later. Hey, we're gonna go eat with Luz, okay? Okay, so we just came out of Moe's, and I'm gonna show you guys. There is a small bird. Okay, I just want to say I did not mean to kill that bird. I'm sorry. Bye. We're gonna fly the drone right now with Luz and just get some drone footage. Okay, Luz, we're gonna drop you off.
I hope to see you next week, okay?
Okay, you will.
Bien juicioso. Vamos a buscar locaciones.
Okay. Bye. We are home, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna finish up this edit, put it out there for you guys to see. If you have any questions, anything you want to see, let me know and we'll make it happen.
There goes a sight from my soul.